Welcome back, friends. Today I have the funnest back to school craft you're going to want to do with your kids this year. We're going to start with different papers. We're going to start with a yellow, white, pink, black, and then this natural color one. This is just one of those craft paper ones that you can find in a roll or even in packages. We're also going to be needing a ruler, specifically one that has like the thicker side, and then my scissors as well as some double-sided tape, or you can use glue stick as well, and some packaging tape. We're also going to use a gray marker. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, so I'm going to try these and see which one I like more. I'm also going to use my permanent black marker. All right, the first thing I want to do is I want to just draw a line and make a line straight in the thickest part of the ruler. So just like this, just in the thickest part of the ruler. And then we're going to cut that out, and then we are going to cut out 1 inch of the pink paper in the same thickness of the ruler, and then 1/2 inch of the white paper in the same thickness of the ruler, and just cut those out. We're going to cut out a 2-inch piece of the craft paper one, again in the same thickness of the ruler. And now we're going to put everything together. I'm going to start by attaching the pink paper first, and then we're going to try out all my gray markers because I wasn't sure which one was going to work for best. And then it ended up being this one side of this one. It just looked metallic and it was perfect. I'm going to take the white little piece of paper and I'm just going to color the entire thing in this gray metallic silver. Then I am going to attach it right there on top of the pink paper. I think you see where we're going with this, right? We're making a pencil bookmark. I cut off the entire piece to be about 8 inches long, and then I'm going to zigzag cut one side of the craft paper and attach it to the front, just like this. I am going to mark the middle of the top, and then I am going to cut in a triangle. I'm just going to V-cut that top portion, giving it that pencil look. Now, instead of using the black paper, I changed my mind. I'm just going to use my black marker and color in the lead portion of the pencil. Now, I'm going to write my daughter's name here because I'm going to give this one to her. And then we're going to use the packaging tape to basically laminate the pencil. Now, you can use a laminator, which I do have, but I figured I'd show you how to do it with the tape because it's so much easier if you don't have one. I'm going to do the front and the back of the pencil and then attach it and nicely make sure that it's stuck together. Then I'm going to cut off the excess tape, leaving about the same size on each side. And that's how cute it looks, but I have another craft, so I'll show you the ending here, what they both look like. We're going to take some blue paper as well as a blue marker, a black marker, and my ruler. And of course, we're going to use scissors and also my pencil. And then of course, the packaging tape. We're going to create another bookmark, but this time it's going to be in the shape and design of a crayon. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut the same thickness of the ruler, and I am going to cut it in about 7-inch long. And then it's time to start using the permanent marker. We're just going to use it here at the end and make maybe about a 1/2 inch thick line. And then I'm going to make a few lines here. I'm going to mark about 1.5 inches and then ever so lightly on top of it. Then we're going to cut tiny little bit on the bottom line, and then we are going to cut it in a V shape after we mark where the center is. Now this time, instead of making it pointy, we're going to make it a little flat. And this is what it should look like. See right there, I have those 2 little sides, and then you want the flat top, just like that. Then I'm going to use my ruler to kind of guide me. We're just going to color that top portion. Again, we're creating a crayon. Now you can do this in any color you want. I'm going to use the black permanent marker to create the wiggly lines, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. And for this one, I'm going to gift it to my son. So I'm just going to write his name right here. And then we want to do the same exact thing we did earlier with the pencil, and we're going to cover it with packaging tape. Place it as center as possible, the front, and then again on the back, making sure the entire thing is covered and nicely stuck together. And then you just want to cut off the excess, leaving the same amount of plastic tape on each side. And this is what they both look like. So adorable. How fun is this craft? Let me know what you think or which one you would want to try. And as always, I have another video here for you with tons more crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.